Hey guys, it's me, Sunstar Productions. Today we're unboxing something new, of course. Today we're going to be unboxing my new singing crocodile, Croc-O-Rock. Now, you can see this is a bit open right here because my phone kept not wanting to cooperate and I got a bit of it cut. Yeah, so basically, what I did, I cut this and I cut all the way over to the paper and that's when it stopped. So let's continue cutting. This doesn't want to work. Yay. And the final bit of cut that we need to do is right here. There we go. And inside, I'm lucky. All I did was cut the paper. I can feel the croc. Here's the croc. Mr. Crocodile Man. So this is one of my first things that isn't a singing fish that, other than my snowman's. Here he is. Let's see if he works. Alright, so he didn't come with any batteries, unlike the last few. He takes C batteries, so yeah. Now I'm going to plug him into adapter, a 6-volt adapter, because I can. And that won't fry him, because trust me, it's a 6-volt. Well, that's right, my 6-volt's in the other room. Be right back. So I got the adapter, here we go. I saw that head twitch. Let me yeet myself over here. And here we go. This. I think he's a non-cussing dude. He's a non-cussing dude. I was hoping for a cussing version maybe, but it's fine. Yeah. He fully works other than the head not coming out all the way. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Peace out.